Tony Buti. I'm the Minister for Citizenship and Multicultural Interest in the West Australian Government. Welcome to the next episode of our Multicultural Cooking Series. Today we're going to Latin America, specifically we're going to Mexico, and I have with us today Karla Benitez, who is a pillar of the West Australian Latin American community and also is a member of my Ministerial Multicultural Advisory Council. Thanks very much, Karla, for allowing us to come to your home today.
Thank you very much, Minister, and welcome to mi casa. My home is your home.
And that's, thank you very much. And who do we have with us?
Well, we have today my friend Chef Yoja helping us today with the cooking.
Thank you. And what are we cooking?
Woo! Today we have a very special dish called mole. Mole is the national dish in Mexico and has been around for hundreds of years.
And you're saying it's a national dish of Mexico, so when do you eat it? What time of the day?
Well, you know what? You can eat it every day, but mainly mole is for special occasions like weddings or special birthdays. And I have to tell you about mole, it has more than 30 ingredients. So that's why I have today Yoja with me, because it takes a lot of time. In fact, this mole takes around 2 days preparation.
So you've been busy for the last 2 days, is that right? Can you let us know what the various ingredients are here?
Yeah, sure. We have dried chilies, 4 different types.
Yeah.
We have almonds, sesame seeds, all the spices, anise, cinnamon sticks, tortilla, peanuts, plantain, and Mexican chocolate.
Right, and what's in the jar?
So, to make the mole, as Karla was saying, it takes 2 days.
Yeah.
So we pre-made the mole, we made the paste, and we put it in the jar. So this is the paste, and we are going to cook it.
Okay, Minister, so we have all the ingredients here. I would like to tell you that Mexican cuisine has been declared in 2010 Cultural Heritage of Humanity by UNESCO. And do you know how many chilies do we have in Mexico?
I think you've got a lot.
We have around 140 different chilies.
140?
Yes.
And I assume how hot they are. There's a real range of how hot they are and mild?
They are mild, medium, very hot.
Right.
Yes.
And we have chilies in this today?
Yes.
Yes, but they are not spicy.
Oh, thank goodness. So we're going to go over and cook now, are we?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay. So Yoja, what are we going to do now?
So we're going to start with the mole paste. We're going to put it here with a chicken stock, so we make the sauce. Then Karla is going to help us doing the tortillas to prepare before we put the chicken in.
Okay, so tortillas. So what are we doing?
So we put the paste inside.
Okay. So that paste is made up of all those ingredients that we talked about. Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Chicken. And we want to make them sauce creamy.
Creamy.
Not too runny, not too thick.
Okay, all right.
You know what, Minister? We have 60 different types of corn.
Wow. And of course, this is a very versatile staple. You can do a lot of things with tortillas, can't you?
Yeah, we can do sopes, we can do everything.
Right.
In Mexico, we have a specialty towel for the tortillas, and we call it tortillero.
Tortilla.
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Okay, we've finished here with the sauce. Let's now take it over and finish this fantastic cuisine. Okay, we've got the final products here.
Yes.
So what do we do?
So we're going to do chicken tacos with mole sauce on top.
Okay.
So we are going to start taking a tortilla,
Right.
putting a little bit of chicken inside.
Yeah. So this chicken, of course, has been, is it boiled chicken?
Yes,
Yeah, boiled.
boiled chicken.
Yeah.
And then we roll it.
Roll it over. Yeah.
And you can make the second one.
Oh, gee, the pressure's on. Okay. Lovely texture, the tortilla. Karla, the Mexican community in WA and Australia and also the Latin American community, is it vibrant, strong?
Of course it's strong and it's vibrant. I can tell you that there's around 11,000 Mexicans in Australia. So we are part of a Latino community that represents 400,000 Latin Australians here in our country. So our community represents 34 different countries. And yes, as I said, altogether we make 400,000. In the world, there's 777 million Latinos in the world.
Wow.
And Spanish is the 8th most spoken language in Australia and the 2nd in the world.
Gee, amazing. So we're nearly there. So what do I do?
So we have finished with the tacos.
Yeah.
Now you just need to put the mole sauce.
Okay. Well, and do what?
Generous with the
Be generous?
Yes.
You know what, Minister? In Mexico, we have yellow mole, green mole,
Really?
red
Wow.
mole, black mole. This is black mole. And the most
smells
famous
beautiful.
ones comes from Puebla and Oaxaca.
Oaxaca, beautiful part of Mexico. And I'll tell you one thing, it smells lovely. Okay, well, I've done that. So what's next? What are you going to do, Karla?
I'm gonna do the cheese. Do you like with plenty of cheese?
Yeah, and so is that like Parmesan cheese?
Feta cheese.
Feta cheese. Oh, feta cheese.
In Mexico, we use fresh cheese, but you can find it here. To finish, just the sesame seed, just a little bit.
Look at that. Yeah, I'm so excited. So excited. I can't wait to get into it. But look, you've done an incredible job here. Thank you very much. So what else do we have here?
We have sweet corn cake and we have a traditional café de olla from Mexico as well. The coffee bean is from Chiapas and was roasted 2 days ago here in Western Australia.
So shall we taste the,
Please try it.
the fruits of our labour? Wow. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. That is so nice. It looks beautiful, smells beautiful, and it tastes amazingly well. So, Karla, we were talking before off screen. Food and coming together is really important, isn't it, for your Mexican culture?
Indeed, for all Latinos, you know, food is a part of our identity. It's part of our culture, our passions.
Well, look, this has been amazing. So, folks, this is the latest episode in our multicultural cooking series. Please go onto the OMI website to see this and also all the other shows in the series. But we are talking about Mexican cuisine and culture. So I think I might have to put something on my head here. And what do you got there?
You know what? Because Mexican cuisine is a mix of Hispanic and European influence.
Yeah.
So we have the mariachi hat and we have the Aztec headpiece for today. And then we said, welcome, bienvenido, and thank you very much for being here at mi casa.
Thank you very, very much.